Garmin Explore is the mobile app that can turn your smartphone or tablet into a hiking, trail riding, off-roading, map-loading companion. In this video, we'll show you how to use Garmin Explore to plan and save your adventures, and also show you how to pair your smartphone with a compatible Garmin handheld or wearable for access to the full range of Garmin Explore capabilities. But first, let's get your mobile device set up with the Garmin Explore app. If you haven't already set up a Garmin sign-in account, you'll need to create one. Just follow the directions that came with your Garmin GPS handheld or wearable. Some devices may direct you to visit the Explore online portal at explore.garmin.com to create your user account via the website. Follow the instructions to set up your account and log in. Now on your mobile device, you're ready to download and install the Garmin Explore app from either the App Store or Google Play. Once it's downloaded, tap the icon to open Garmin Explore and log on using your Garmin account credentials. You'll see the basic map page with a pointer at the center to indicate your current position and direction of travel. In the top right corner, you'll see an arrow icon to select map orientation. Toggle between the north up and direction of travel up map views. Now in the upper left corner, you'll see two icons, a gear that lets you access the settings controls, and a plus sign that lets you drop waypoints and create routes from a selected starting point on the map. Tap the gear icon and you'll see a map settings page. From this page, you can slide toggles for data fields, such as bearing, elevation, speed, and a map scale bar if you want to add those features to your map page display. Okay, now we're ready to download some map detail. Just tap the bright orange Download Maps button at the bottom of the map. That will take you to the Download Maps page. You'll see a menu with Base Map and available topo map coverage for your region listed at the top. Just tap the two download arrows beside each listing to select and download those databases. You can also select map data for specific listed regions if you prefer. You'll see a progress bar for your current downloads at the bottom of the page. Once you've made your selections, press Map at the top of the screen to return to the map screen. You'll see a detailed map display that you can swipe to pan or pinch to scale up or down. To manage your maps, tap the gear icon to open the Map Settings page. Then open My Maps and select Maps to view a list of your downloaded maps. You can select any map types or specific maps you want to access on the main map page. And for certain map configurations, there are sliders for selecting such map elements as aerial imagery and display of public lands. You can also delete maps by tapping Edit and then selecting the item and tapping Delete to remove it. When you're finished making edits, go back to the Map Settings page and tap the map or Done to return to the main map page. Now let's find out how to pair the Garmin Explore app on your phone with a compatible handheld device or wearable, so you can sync data from your navigation device to your phone and then save the waypoints, routes, and other details from your trip for future reference. To start that process, first turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Your Garmin device should remain within 10 feet of your phone during the pairing procedure. For pairing with most Garmin wearables, you'll need to go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Garmin Connect app onto your smartphone. Once that's installed, follow the on-screen instructions or go to the More menu on the lower right-hand corner of the Garmin Connect app display. Then open Garmin Devices, select your device, tap the Add Device bar, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your smartphone with your Garmin device. With those steps completed, your phone and device will automatically connect when turned on and within range of each other. Now open the Garmin Explore app on your phone and go to the map page and tap the devices icon in the lower right-hand corner. This will bring up a list of your handheld or wearable devices available for pairing. Tap the device you want to pair. Garmin Explore will search for it and let you know when the pairing is complete. Then you'll be able to start syncing Garmin Explore data between your Garmin navigation device and your phone app. Those are the basics to get you started. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about using your Garmin Explore app and its library and collections features to organize your data, plan your trips, and save your favorite waypoints, tracks, routes, and activities for future reference. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.